Hello everyone, today we will learn this very easy and beautiful sleeve design. If you are beginner, you can easily make this design. So let's start. First I take my this half sleeve. You can make this design even on full sleeves as well. So on the center of my sleeve, I just take 1 inch both side and 5 inches lengthwise. Now I'm going to mark here the 5 inches line and the other side as well the 5 inches line. So these two lines I'm just going to cut here. So after cutting, the next step will be I will take here 2 inches on this cutting part, 2 inches, and now I will cut this part as well. Now it's time to stitch our design. First I will stitch this line and then this line. So both sides you have to stitch, and now just pull the thread to make it here the gathers and make it equal to the center part of your fabric. After gathering, we will join these parts with the center part from here to here and this way. Make sure you double lock at the starting and end. So now as you can see, I just stitched the both side. It's time to finish the hemline. For hemline, I take this pattern or printed piece of fabric. Just stitch on the right side first, the wrong side first, and then turn it on the upside. And now it's time to attach the matching button. You can add 1 button or 2 button. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.